Prototype design pattern. The prototype pattern is a creation and design pattern which is required when an object creation is a time consuming and costly operation. So we create object with the existing object itself by copying the existing ones. Let's start by looking at a scenario where we are not using prototype design pattern. Here, when we create doc2, we explicitly pass the same data as doc1. This means that if creating a document object is resource intensive, for instance, loading data from database or a file, we are duplicating the expensive process unnecessarily. Now let's move to a scenario where we apply the prototype design pattern to address this issue. In this approach, we only load the external resource when creating doc1. When creating doc2, we simply clone doc1, avoiding the expensive process. Now let's take a closer look at the clone method. It's important to note that clone method does not invoke constructor of the class. Instead, it creates a shallow copy of the object by directly copying its memory layout. Here's an example. Benefits of prototype pattern. The first one is that it simplifies the object duplication, which means that clone method allows you to duplicate objects without worrying about their internal structure. The second one is that it reduces the overhead. If the object creation is expensive, the prototype pattern can save time and resources by reusing the existing objects. Third one is the flexibility. So it's easy to create variation of object by modifying the cloned object. So that's all. In summary, the prototype design pattern is a simple yet powerful way to handle object duplication efficiently.